Hello everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing Ben 10 Alien Force Collection of Toys Soccer Ben. First let's look at the box. The box is pretty good overall, and it shows you their numbers like Swampfire, Chromastone, Humongousaur, Jet Ray, Ben, Echo, Spider Monkey, Big Chill, Brainstorm, Goop, Alien X, Gorvin, Hybrid, Upchuck, Human Gwen, Grandpa Max, and Soccer Ben. And I give the boxing a 10 out of 10 also. Like my Albedo tour review, I give that a 10 out of 10. Let me get out of here, Albedo. So yeah, let's open this toy up. Hang on, guys. Okay, so yeah. First, comes with a Ben Tennyson card. So first, let's look at the toy, and we'll set the card aside for right now. This is all like crust stuff. Guess you got crust in the meal thing. Okay, so first let's look at Soccer Ben is pretty good. His hands can do 360s. They can rotate all the way around. That's the same as the other hand. It can rotate around. His head can do a 360 as well. His legs are bendable, so he'll look like that when you put a soccer ball on him. But his legs only move up and down. They don't like do 360s. And this used to be like his shirt when he was younger, but now it's his soccer jersey. And he has a 10 on the back of him. The shoes are pretty good overall. They did a good job making him, and I'm just happy that I got him. The next thing he comes with is a soccer ball, but I gotta be careful not to lose this because it's very tiny. So the soccer ball is like any other soccer ball. It's the same color as a soccer ball. So yeah, I'm gonna try to set him up in his soccer form, like he's stopping the ball from rolling. So yeah, he remains like that. I thought the ball would come with a peg hole, and you can put them in the peg holes in one of his feet, and then you can set him like he's stepping on the thing. And he can sit down like that, and yeah. Next, let's look at the card. Let me just get the card out of the package. Okay, so here's the card. It's the same thing as anything, but it doesn't say this thing a bio about him because that's on the other card that I have. Well, its homeworld is Earth. His homeworld is Earth, and he's a human, like always. And this isn't really a bio, but it's like this homeworld and species in different languages. So yeah. Soccer Ben and Albedo are pretty cool. I like them, and they're pretty good. The next time I'm gonna be reviewing Grimmax, Human Gwen, and maybe Hybrid or Alien X, cause hopefully when I go to New York I'll get those three, and yeah, hopefully I will. So yeah, see you guys there.